Embarking on their most ambitious voyage, Tori, Nas, and Adore, alongside their faithful dog Ty, chart a course for the deepest mystery of the Milky Way. Their ultimate destination is Sagittarius A's star, the supermassive black hole anchoring our galaxy. It is a cosmic titan that dictates the motion of billions of stars. Navigating toward the galactic center requires immense precision. Adore constantly calculates the trajectory to avoid hazardous celestial bodies along the 26,000 light-year journey. Nas monitors the ship's sensors, knowing the path is obscured. The dense region between Earth and the core is packed with light-blocking cosmic material. The team enters a vast expanse of interstellar dust and gas. These dark nebulae absorb visible light, hiding the vibrant secrets of the galactic core. To pierce the veil, Nas switches the sensors to infrared. Longer wavelengths of infrared light can travel through the thick dust, largely unhindered. Suddenly, a hidden universe is revealed. Millions of ancient stars, previously completely invisible, shine brightly against the backdrop of the cosmic void. These giant molecular clouds are the stellar nurseries of the galaxy. Deep within, gravity compresses gas and dust to violently ignite brand new stars. Adore expertly pilots the vessel through turbulent gravitational eddies. The journey demands relentless vigilance as the density of celestial matter rapidly increases. Emerging from the dust, they enter the galactic bulge. This central spherical structure is tightly packed with incredibly ancient, distinctly red-hued stars. Here, stars are separated by mere light weeks, not light years. The sheer luminosity creates an eternal, blinding day in this region of space. As they push deeper, Nas observes a drastic spike in cosmic radiation. Supernova remnants and intense stellar winds create a hazardous energetic environment. To survive the escalating barrage of gamma rays and X-rays, the Pride engages its electromagnetic deflector shields, repelling the deadly cosmic interference. The closer they get, the stronger the gravitational pull becomes. Adore carefully balances the ship's engines against invisible, shifting tides of immense gravity. The team spots the S-stars. These exceptionally massive blue stars orbit an invisible, empty point in space at staggering velocities of millions of miles per hour. Nas calculates the orbital mechanics. Only an object with a mass of 4 million suns compacted into a tiny area could generate this extreme gravitational force. They have arrived. Hidden within the violent stellar dance lies Sagittarius A star. The true ruler of the Milky Way galaxy is finally within their sight. Surrounding the black hole is the accretion disk, a terrifying, beautiful maelstrom of superheated plasma spiraling inward at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Friction within this dense, chaotic disk heats the matter to tens of millions of degrees, causing it to aggressively emit incredibly powerful X-rays. Adore polarizes the viewports to protect their eyes from the blistering glare. The structure of the dark beast at the center finally becomes clear. They gaze upon the shadow of the black hole, a perfect void where gravity is so overwhelmingly absolute that not even light itself can escape. Tori notices the optical illusion behind the void. The immense gravity warps the fabric of space-time itself, creating a dramatic phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. Light from stars positioned directly behind the black hole is drastically bent around it, creating a luminous, distorted ring of light known as the Einstein ring. Nas analyzes the event horizon. This is the absolute boundary, the terrifying point of no return. Cross this invisible threshold and you belong to the singularity. Adore anchors the ship right at the edge of the photon sphere. Here, gravity is so strong that photons of light are forced into a permanent circular orbit. In this extreme gravitational field, time itself behaves strangely. Tori observes the ship's relativistic clocks, noting the phenomenon defined by Einstein's general relativity. Nas calculates the immense time dilation. For every single minute the crew spends near this supermassive giant, hours or even days are passing back on Earth. Suspended in the abyss, the ship looks incredibly fragile, yet this formidable gravitational monster is fundamentally the silent, crucial architect of the Milky Way. Without the supermassive anchor of Sagittarius A star, the galaxy as we know it could not exist. Its colossal gravity binds the spiral arms gracefully together. Their objective complete, the environment remains critically hazardous. A door prepares the Pride for immediate departure, calculating the immense thrust required to break the gravity well. Tori takes one final, unforgettable look. They have touched the heart of the galaxy, looking straight into the abyss that shaped humanity's cosmic home. Even Ty the dog seems to sense the magnitude of their achievement. The most dangerous environment in the known universe has been safely documented. The main thrusters ignite with maximum yield. The Pride struggles momentarily against the fierce gravitational tether before tearing itself away from the galactic center. The escape velocity requires tremendous acceleration. The inertial dampeners work overtime, yet the crew feels the powerful surge pushing them back toward the stars. Piercing back through the galactic bulge, the team leaves behind the blinding, eternal day of the core, diving back into the relative tranquility of interstellar space. The scientific bounty is unprecedented. NAS organizes petabytes of high-resolution data on stellar mechanics, radiation, and unprecedented gravitational dynamics from the event horizon. With the treacherous navigation complete, Adore engages the automated cruising systems. The incredible pressure of guiding the ship through the cosmic gauntlet finally lifts. The tension breaks, allowing Tori to reward his brave companion. Ty enjoys a specialized zero-gravity treat, completely unaware of the historical significance of their voyage. Emerging from the dense molecular dust clouds, the Pride is greeted once again by the familiar, cold, and scattered starlight of the outer spiral arms. NAS checks the relativistic chronometers. Their journey to the core lasted mere weeks for the crew, but accounting for time dilation, generations have passed on Earth. Tori ponders the profound sacrifices of deep space exploration. Expanding the boundaries of human knowledge comes with the heavy price of leaving the familiar timeline behind. Adore silently reassures him. The data they carry holds the secrets to gravity, time, and galaxy formation. Their voyage will permanently rewrite the history books. Together, the crew of the Pride stands united. They braved the most extreme, terrifying physical forces in the universe and returned with the light of knowledge. With coordinates set for home, the ship engages its hyperdrive. The mysteries of the galactic core have been conquered, paving the way for endless future discoveries. The Milky Way remains vast and beautiful. Hidden within its dark heart, the supermassive giant patiently waits for the next daring explorers to seek its secrets.